Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit similar to a tutorial that I did probably a couple of months ago on how to bypass the parental controls lock on either your Nintendo DSi, your 3DS, your Wii U, or your Nintendo Switch. I've had a couple of people in the comments of that video asking me if I could do a tutorial on how to bypass the parental controls on the Wii console. And that's what we're going to be doing today. It's actually a very similar method to what I showed in that video, but it's going to be using a separate website, and it's obviously going to be on the Wii console, not any of those consoles in that video. This method's only going to work for the Nintendo Wii. So if your Wii has parental controls on it, the way you're going to be able to tell that is if you go into the Wii options menu here, and you go into Wii settings, and go into parental controls, which I believe is the second option up here. Right, so you got to go to page 2 and go to parental controls right here. And if you have parental controls installed, you're going to, or enabled rather, you're going to get presented with this message right here that says change parental controls. You obviously have probably tried to click on yes. And it asks you for your PIN number. And if you click on I forgot right here, it'll come up with a secret question. What you want to do is hit I forgot once again. And it's going to come up with a confirmation number right here. And what it asks you to do is to take this confirmation number and contact Nintendo, and they will, you have to go through a whole process with them, and they will issue you a master key. But we're not going to have to do that, and I'm going to have a link down below to a website that basically will generate this master code for you, and you don't have to, contact Nintendo. They may not even, do this anymore because the Wii console is over 10 years old. But I'm going to have this website linked down below, and it's up on screen right now. And all you have to do is input both your confirmation number and the system date. So I'm going to go ahead and put my confirmation number in right now. And then you want to specify your Wii system's date. Now, unlike the other website, you have to go to this drop-down menu here. And there's only 3 options. There's yesterday's date, today's date, and tomorrow's date. So if your Wii is not set to any of these 3 dates, I know that mine is set to today's date, which is the 29th of October. You're gonna have to go into your Wii settings and manually change it to one of these 3 dates. But once you have both of these pieces of information entered into this website, all you have to do is press Get Reset Code. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate an unlock code here. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over to my Wii console and press on the OK button. And now it's going to ask you for the master key. So mine in this case is 19264. So I'm going to enter 19264. Hit OK. Click on OK again. And it will now say that parental controls have been disabled. Click on OK, and now we can go back into parental controls, and now it says use parental controls instead of do you want to change parental controls. So it has been fully disabled. So if you wanted to set a different parental controls password, or if you wanted to just delete it entirely, that is how you do it. Again, it's a very super simple method, almost identical to that previous method that I showed in that other video. But I hope that this helped you guys out. If it did, definitely be sure to give this video a like, and be sure to get subscribed down below and turn on notifications if you haven't already to get notified whenever I upload new videos on this channel, which I do every week. And as always, I would just like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.